In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a signature with Dropbox Sign. Let's get started on streamlining your workflow with this handy tool. The first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser and search for Dropbox. This is your gateway to accessing all the features Dropbox Sign has to offer. Once you've navigated to the website, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, now's a good time to create one. It's quick and straightforward, and having an account will allow you to make full use of Dropbox Sign. Once you're logged in, look for the option labeled Sign Documents. This is where you'll upload the document you need signed. This tool is very intuitive, making it a breeze to add and manage all your documents in one place. Alternatively, you can choose to navigate to the Documents section. Here, you'll find all your previously uploaded files. Simply select Edit on any document you wish to send for signing. Both methods will bring you to the next crucial step seamlessly. Now you're ready to specify exactly who needs to sign the document. Be sure to enter the names and email addresses of the recipients clearly and accurately. This ensures that there won't be any mix-ups later on. Once you've entered all the necessary details, you'll have direct access to the document. This part of the process allows you to add various fields, such as for the date, full name, and signature, that the signer will need to fill in. These fields provide structure and simplicity, ensuring everything needed is clear and organized. Before sending the document out, it's important that you sign the document first. There are a few convenient ways you can do this. You can upload a photo of your signature, use your initials paired with a generated font, or simply use your mouse to write out your signature. Choose the option that feels most comfortable and authentic to you. After completing your part, all that's left is to click Next. At this stage in the process, you'll be prompted to review the email message that will accompany the document. This is your chance to ensure that everything sounds professional, and that the recipients understand the importance of the document they're about to receive. Finally, when everything is drafted, reviewed, and ready to go, click Send for Signature. And that's it. You've successfully sent a document for signature using Dropbox Sign. This feature helps save time and keeps everything organized, making it a winner for seamless document management. We hope this guide was easy to follow and helps you get the most out of Dropbox Sign for all your signature needs. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.